pounds and owning our business. Okay, I know you guys asked me a question and it was a good question. Make sure you guys like and subscribe while I answer this question. So the question was, how much do I charge when somebody damaged my bounce house or any type of damage? Now I have a contract, which you should all have a contract. Make them sign it, make them agree to it. Don't worry about my one nail. I've been trying to make that thing come off for the longest. But I have a contract, so we go off of the contract. In my contract, it says it's $50. Your car will be charged $50 if any incident will happen. Normally, the repairing it isn't going to be that much because you have the cement block, which is like $20 on Amazon, and you could just repair it as it go. But reason why I charge $50 is because it's fair, and also it's actually a good way to actually let the customer know that you're serious about your equipment and this is a relationship. Once I set my stuff up, I expect it to go the same way that it's supposed to go. But the first thing is to establish a rental agreement, and also under that rental agreement you will have everything that you have listed on there, and they'll sign the dotted line, and if anything does happen, that's when you would charge that car $50. And you can actually do that if you have a website as well, and just go ahead and charge their car $50 just because you already have it written in contract and they signed the contract. All right, guys, see you guys soon. Make sure you like and subscribe. Any more questions, just drop them down below and I'll definitely come back on here and answer them for you.